The best candidates for whitening are those that are kind of a yellowish brown. Now, when we all know a Vita guide, we get A's, B's, C's, and D's. A's and B's are always going to be the easiest. But listen, this is where we get into trouble. When we tell patients they can do a pre-filled system and they're a C or a D, C's and D's cannot do that. I mean it. They can't. They really need long-term whitening. They need a custom tray. And this is really, really, really important. Okay. So this is where I think you got to really look at it. Now, one of the Sandra's questions was, does the ADA studies on 10% hydrogen peroxide or carbamide? This patient is a D shade. Remember what I said? C's and D's are very tough. They need time. This is the conventional way we've always done it, right? Oh man, we all know. Pouring it up, take an impression. I actually like pouring up models, or I would say I used to like it until I didn't know what I didn't know, right? Now, if I'm taking a digital scan and I'm already doing it anyway with my iTero scanner, I've got my digital files. I'm going to export those digital files into my software. And one of the things that I thought was, oh my gosh, this is going to take so long. How am I going to do this? How am I going to be able to deliver these trays for patients? I really want to try to do it while they're here. If I'm going to take, scans, but guess what? Everything in dentistry is repetition. The more we do of one procedure, and we know that, right? The procedures really don't change, just the products. The more we do, the faster we are, the better we are at it, and the more efficient we'll be. Telling the printer exactly where we want it to be cut. Because again, remember that this is what I think is so great that I never really had before, is having to cut with scissors and not really able to zoom in and see exactly where this is. Here it is. Now we've got the tray fabricated as far as in the design. And all I'm going to do now is save these files and send them straight to the printer. All right. I've done my upper. Got my lower. I'm going to do my upper. I like to start on the lower, then I'll do the upper next. And same thing. I'm going to fabricate the upper here and just go. And I'm just going to kind of skim through it so we've got some time. Again, I'm going to do my block out, and then I'm going to orient my tray first, do my block out, and then I'm going to trim the tray, and then again, delivering it.